Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Amelina Nzisa, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to repair your broken powder. This one. So guys, if your powder is broken, of course you don't have to throw it away because Lena has a solution for you. And on this tutorial, we're not going to use kerosene. We're just going to use home remedies, and it is very simple. So guys, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and of course give it comments, share, and if there's anything that you want me to do on my next video, please leave your request on the comment section. Yeah, I will look into it and I will do it, of course. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So guys, let's get straight to the video. So you're going to need a white paper, a tissue, and a spoon. And there is my powder. As you can see, it is very much spoiled, very broken. Now you just pour it to your paper